baking. Tell me, what kind are we making? Looky, looky, what a cookie, 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 oh!
Hey, Mommy, what are we going to bake today?
Today we're going to bake snickerdoodles.
Oh, I know what those are. Those are just dough balls rolled in cinnamon sugar.
Exactly. Now first we need to heat the oven to 200 degrees. We also need a bowl and a wooden spoon, and finally an ungreased cookie tray.
And oven mitts.
Oven mitts as well. We also need our ingredients. Today we have 176 grams of
flour, which is a mixture because it has more than one formula.
Exactly. A pinch of salt, 150 grams of sugar, a few teaspoons of water, 76 grams of butter, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, and finally 150 grams of cinnamon sugar.
And this one, I know, is for rolling your dough balls in.
Exactly. Now first we need to mix the butter and the sugar. Now the sugar is a compound. A compound has a formula. The sugar formula is C12H22O11.
And the butter, I know, is a pure substance. Mommy, what's the formula for this one again?
The formula for butter is C9H14O6. Why don't you mix that together? Right. Now we need to add 1 egg. An egg is a compound. Now, as I already said, a compound has a formula. The formula for egg is C6H12O3 and N2. Do you want to crack that in here? Is a homogeneous mixture right now.
I know why. Because we cannot see the different parts of it. But just a second ago, while we were mixing it together, you could see all the different parts.
Which makes it a
heterogeneous mixture.
Exactly. Now we need to add 176 grams of flour. Flour is a mixture, as you said. It has 4 formulas. We also need to add 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and finally the pinch of salt.
Mom, now this is turning into heterogeneous again because now we can see the flour.
Exactly. Now, if you are having a few difficulties with mixing it together and making it into a dough, you could add, like we're going to add, a bit of water. Why don't you go and see if the oven's working?
Yep, it's heating up well, almost there.
Good. Now, can you possibly get the cinnamon sugar?
Yes, for rolling our cookies in. Here we are, cinnamon sugar.
Right, we're going to add a tiny bit more water. And here we go, now it's turning into dough. So right now it's a heterogeneous mixture. But we will change it into a homogeneous mixture. It is also going
through a physical change.
This means that,
well, the dough is changing either color, shape, size, texture. Right now, the dough has turned into different texture, most of all. And they're all together.
So now comes the messy part. We need to roll this in cinnamon sugar. Now you need to make sure that all of your snickerdoodle balls are the same size, because otherwise some of them will be cooked and some of them will be burnt. Right now it's going through a physical change because it's changing in colour. This is because we're adding the cinnamon sugar, which means the outer of the snickerdoodles is turning brown.
And that means also that we are able to take it apart if we had to. But that's unlike a chemical change where you could never separate them again.
When we bake them, they undergo a chemical change because you can't unbake cookies.
Mom, I have to go to the toilet.
Okay, I'll finish these. I've just put the cookies in the oven and we have to wait for 8 minutes.
Hi, Mom. Have you already put the cookies in the oven?
Yeah, I just need to go and check my emails though.
Okay.
Ooh, I smell a cookie baking. Tell me what kind are we making? Looky, looky, what a cookie, cookie, cookie. Oh, sugar cookies, peanut butter, chocolate chip. Here comes another. Looky, looky, what a cookie, cookie, cookie. Oh, cookie, looky, yummy, yumptious, delicious, yummy, delicious, flavorific, scrumptious, scrumptious, cookie, cookie. Oh. Icy cookie, mixy, bakey, gooey cookie, mixy, mickey, looky, looky, gimme cookie, 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 oh. Cookie, looky, yummy, yumptious, delicious, yummy, delicious, flavorific, scrumpy, scrumptious, cookie, cookie, oh. Churning flour, eggs, vanilla, sugar, frosting for a filler, looky, looky, what a cookie, 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 oh. Cookie, looky, yummy, yumptious, delicious, tummy, delicious, flavorific, scrumpy, scrumptious, cookie, cookie, oh. Cookie, looky, yummy, yumptious, delicious, tummy, delicious, flavorific, scrumpy, scrumptious, cookie, cookie, oh.
Once the snickerdoodles have been in the oven for 8 minutes, you can take them out and put them on a cooling rack for 2 minutes.
Hey, Mommy, the cookies are done.
Why don't you take one for your brother and you?
Snickerdoodles, snickerdoodles, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Ooh, I smell a cookie baking. Tell me what kind are we making? Looky, looky, what a cookie, 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 oh. Sugar cookies, peanut butter, chocolate chip. Here comes another. Looky, looky, what a cookie, cookie,